This is Kevin from Superwave Laser Technology Co. Now I want to show you how to operate our fiber optic mobile welding systems. This gray color one is chiller. This is the water tank. We must put distilled water into the tank, and the water must over the stainless steel tube. This one is laser host systems. This is the main power switch, circuit breaker. This one is the power switch for the whole systems, for the cooling systems and the host systems. This one is the control panel. Laser shutter switch, laser switch, and red light switch, laser shutter indicator, laser indicator, key switch, emergency stop. This one is the workbench, 3 axes. The Z axis up and down by motorized. We can put the foot pedal up and down. The XY axis is manual. This is the joystick controller for control the mobile arm systems. This one is the X axis. This one is the Y axis. This one is the swivel lens, 360 degree, can rotate, change the position of laser head. This one is the microscope, protection gas, and this one is the light. This controller have 3 switch. This one for control the high speed and low speed. This one is low function. This joystick can control the X axis, Y axis, and the Z axis by rotate. This one is the control box for the mobile arm systems. This switch is the power switch. Now the power is on. The indicator is green. This is the back side of the host unit. Gas out, gas in. The gas out from the mobile arm, they have a tube connect to the gas out. The gas in, we connect to the to your factory gas device, and then this water tube, the water outlet, water inlet, water singler. This main power cable, this power cable for the chiller. And this black tube with the fiber optic inside. We cannot bend like this. It's easy damage. Now I show you how to operate the machine. Start the machine. We switch on the main power switch. Press OK. The color is in charging. Around 6 seconds, the powder will be ready. Now the screen shows closed on the screen. That means the laser system is not ready. If the machine is ready, it will be show open here. Yes. 哎，不对，这个应该是选择 open。现在看那个更新了，它一直显示是 close。哦，它很多它就变了。离开地方才会变。Now the system is ready. You can see parameter. This program number. Current, pulse width, frequency, this focal die, spot size, this counting of the pulse. This we can increase for new program. Then we set up new parameters, new pulse width, new frequency. And increase now we can select the program number 2. 没保存。没搞好。The current no more than 250, pulse width no more than 10, frequency no more than 20. This focal die is not the correct one because our spot size controlled by the menu. You see here. This one can control the spot size. These two lines in this area. Adjust the spot size in this area. This is the fiber optic cable. Now I'll show you how to operate. The first, press the laser shutter switch. Then the indicator is on. The laser shutter starts.